I click on Create a Design and choose Logo. To create a logo in Canva, you can either create it from scratch or use a template. I'm going to use a template. As I often design for children, I have templates for a children's audience in my recommendations. But you can suggest different types of templates by writing here what you're looking for example, cafe, real estate, bakery, etc. I choose this logo and modify the text. I can also change the color, but I'm not going to. This is the quickest and easiest way to make a logo, with very few changes. Let's create another logo. This time, I'll use a font combination. I modify the text and color. Then I look for an image to complete my logo. I click on Elements and look for images. My logo is ready. I click on Share, and I download the logo. You can also click on Elements and type Logo in the search bar to find images for your logo. These are quick and easy ways to make logos in Canva. Of course, I recommend that you work a little harder on your logo, because in this demonstration, I'm making minimal changes to the templates. But the aim of this tutorial is to show you the principle. Now it's up to you to get creative. Have fun!